morning, Gipster TV. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been going for like a year, but you know what? I'm back and I'm gonna be better in 2020. That's all we gotta say. So today is gonna be like a little short vlog slash prank because I'm pranking my niece later on. So stay tuned for that. We started the day off a little bit late. Today is almost 12, I think. Let me see what time it is. It's 11:50, so it's almost 12 o'clock. And I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to pick the kids' outfit for today. My niece and my nephew, not my kids. Didn't have two kids in the year. Sorry, I can't tell you that. But yeah, I'm about to find their outfits for today and get dressed and brush my teeth and everything. We just finished eating pancakes, so let's get today started, and I'll see you later. So y'all, make lights over right here. Turn this on. Okay. So I ended up laying down and going to sleep. So now I'm really about to get up and clean and then put some clothes on because I might take another. Alright, y'all. So I finished getting dressed. I finished cleaning. Hold on, the light is horrible. But anyway, I finished cleaning and I got dressed, as you can tell. And now I'm waiting for the kids to wake up so we can get them dressed. Take them a little bath first, then get them dressed. Then we are going to Chuck E. Cheese later on. Oh shoot, I gotta turn right this way. So my niece get off of work at 5. This is a really good light, and like, hold on. My bad. But yeah. Screenshot, hold on, screenshot. Ooh, boy, but stop. But anyway, yeah, so that's my day for the day. As you can tell, don't forget to keep watching for the prank. Alright, y'all, I'm backity back, back. Alright, so kids, they dressed. They in their little champion outfits. Kai got on her pink champion. King got on his black champion. So, okay. So I'm waiting on my nieces now for 30. Hold on. But like I was saying, I got the posters here. Got one that says it's a prank. I got Gipster TV, go subscribe. And then the other one, I'm like, Honk for good luck. So when she get here, I'm gonna tell her, I'm like, oh, I gotta go put the car seats in your car. Most likely she gonna try to back in. So I'm gonna go inside and switch the car and put the car seats in the car. And when I go out there, I'm gonna put these on the back of the car. I do that. So I think I'm gonna go put these in my car until she get here. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. So I'm gonna go put these in my car when she get here, and I'm like, oh, let me go change. Let me go get the car seats out the car. So when we leave, I think kids, the car seats can already be in the car. So I'm probably going to switch cameras. Like, I'm probably going to use my phone. I ain't going to use my, I keep looking at the viewfinder. That's why, y'all, my bad. Remember, I got to look here. So I'm going to go, I'm going to switch to my phone because I don't want her to be like, oh, this is a prank. You doing this on purpose. But I told her earlier, I was like, we're going to vlog today because we ain't did nothing. So we'll see, y'all. So next time I see y'all, probably going to be on the iPhone. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. And go follow me on TikTok at The Real Gipster. Alright, y'all. So I just checked her location, and she is literally like probably 10 to 15 minutes away. So I was just about to put the kids' shoes on, but in my head I was like, no, let her go put the shoes on. Why you doing that? That's when you switch it. Let me back up. That's when you switch everything. So y'all about to see her. Y'all about to see her in a few. Oh, by the way, if you didn't know, happy Valentine's Day. If I didn't tell you earlier, I don't think I did, but if I did, anyway, again, happy Valentine's Day to every y'all. So I came and put the car seats in the car, and I put the signs on top of the car. So I'm gonna make sure she don't see them. Make sure I put the kids in the car, let her get in. And then we go ahead and start the prank. Y'all, I can't wait. This is gonna be my first prank on my channel. Hopefully it goes well. What's up, Gipster TV? I'm back with a vlog with Lex.
Hi.
That's my niece. Y'all, where we going?
Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. All right, so I'm gonna let my niece tell y'all how her day at work was today.
My day at work was interesting. I got off early, and I'm taking the kids to Chuck E. Cheese.
You scared of the mouse? How you gonna be scared? We gotta take them to Chuck E. Cheese, y'all. How you gonna be scared of the mouse? Okay, you gonna tell YouTube you don't like the mouse? Y'all, this is our first family vlog.
As you can hear the kids, they just talking right away.
Like they're up and coming YouTubers, and they're only 2 and 3. Which way? We're going left.
Right.
The left, King. Right, the left.
What?
They talking about don't wake the mouse up. Hold on, y'all. I'm about to say this hat got my face looking dark. I put lift up a little bit. Got some lights on. Okay, wait, but anyway. So what you get at work today, sus? What you get at work today? This big ass. She got a secret. You also you ate the strawberries before you came home.
I did.
You butthole. Ass get to the house. Like she got a little secret in mind. Hey nigga, I will pull up. What's that song? Pull up on my block. Well, I be over there got the pistol by the bed.
What's the name of that song?
I don't know. Yeah, I think it's like by Chief Keef. No,
It's
Chief
not
Keef.
Chief Keef. This is the best way to go.
Yeah.
Traffic is horrible here.
Which way?
Horrible.
It's horrible. So today was a good day. The kids really didn't do much. They ate a lot. They had the motorcycles too loud. What was it? Who has the motorcycle?
Yeah, the blue motorcycle's too loud to make noise.
Okay. But anyway, what they eat this morning? This morning they had their pancakes. Right after they had pancakes, he wanted a hot dog.
What?
Like right when you left.
Just eggs stuck with ants in my finger.
You did just eat a hot dog too.
Just quickly.
They're gonna go eat pizza.
He had ramen noodles. He had cereal, and they had 3 things of chips.
Oh my gosh.
But let me eat all that, and I'll be gaining 600 pounds in less than a minute. Y'all, 2020, I'm gonna work on my body. I'm losing this weight. For real, for real. Hold on.
Look at this shit.
It's Valentine's Day. You know everybody and their mama out.
We doing this all damn day.
I ain't got no baby, but anybody wanna be my babe? Please call my line, 910. I'm not gonna tell you the rest. Figure it out.
King say 6.
Oh. I was like, wait, what?
Sit back, car. Thank you.
King, are you burping or you got the hiccups?
I hope Chuck E. Cheese not packed.
It shouldn't be, because you know parents probably don't want to deal with their kids, so they probably with their grandparents. And you know them grandparents probably got about the house.
Grandparents need love too.
Lex, it's called slap or facts. You gotta know, like, if you know what I'm telling you about
Well,
me.
we can slap, but we better not slap the piss.
No, you slapping baby powder. Like, so you get the baby powder, and then you just slap them when they get the fat
go ahead.
on.
I want to hit it with a pow.
What's this?
Yes.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened? Oh, that was the air. When you vlog, you're supposed to vlog your whole life. Like, you're supposed to see everything. But we gotta see how, y'all really want to see how Lex drives? She drives bad, y'all. Like, it's very horrible. A, B, C.
1, 2, 3. Look.
So traffic has died down, so now we can just drive and y'all can really. So I think I'm gonna do another video where it's like my car list playlist. My car playlist, and I can hear all the songs I play in the car. Well, not all of them. I'm gonna play most of them. Why do they know every place that sells French fries? What you want from the hot dog store?
Sweeties, fried chuck, no. Sesame and french fries, no. French fries, chicken nuggets, no. And hot dog, no. French fries, sweetie, in a bag.
He said, "What a sweet tea."
In a bag. How do no? Simone do like give her like a code word throughout the village, throughout the video, to see if anybody watched the video all the way. And when you do, you get a shout out on the next video. I think I'm gonna do that. I just want you to stay in your lane, sweetheart. I need to get a doggone thing for the car. Hi, what the Lexi, just don't take off hard because my phone gonna fall. I know it will.
Well, I can get back over. Okay, we gotta put it back.
You don't like it?
I can clean the car. Get over now.
Yeah, if you can.
Don't do like this too.
Come look.
What the?
Nobody honking. It really pissed me off. Like, cause I was like, what the fuck? So, but, yeah, you can start them when you go up there. But it's too many kids in here. I was thinking the parents were gonna take their kids there. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It's the next morning, and I forgot to close out the vlog last night. I mean, the vlog slash prank. So the prank was a fail. People won't beep in their buttholes. Like, why didn't you beep? And people were really riding her butt, like literally on her butt. And, oh shoot, y'all can't even see me. People were really riding her behind and still won't beep it. So I'm just irritated with the prank. It was a fail. We'll try to get somebody never done. But that's the end of it, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post a video. We'll see you later. Peace.